Amy from the Memphis Public Libraries, and boys and girls, I've been trying to get out of the house, getting some exercise, doing some daily walking, and I've come across awesome sidewalk chalk art in my neighborhood, and I'd like to share it with you.
Mailboxes got makeovers. There were beautiful, whimsical drawings. Positive messages. Obstacle courses. Mosaic chalk art. Look, I got to be a dragon and a butterfly all on the same day. This inspired me.
Today I took my family out and we did some sidewalk chalk art. And as you can see, we drew 4 different animals. We drew a lion, a monkey, an elephant, and a duck. And so we're going to play a little game. One of these things doesn't belong. And so I want you to guess which one. One of these things doesn't belong, doesn't belong, doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing doesn't belong by the time I finish my song? All right, let's give it a try. What do you guys think? The duck? You would be right. Awesome, yes. Why does the duck not belong? Well, because the elephant, monkey, and lion are jungle animals, and the bird is not. Or you could look at it a different way, and the elephant, monkey, and lion are mammals, and the bird is not. Also, the elephant, monkey, and lion do not fly, but the bird does.
Look what I found! Animal prints. Let's follow them. Oh no! It's a tiger! By David La Rochelle. Are you ready for a story? Me too. Well, we'll start in the jungle where the tall trees grow and the monkeys swing from vine to vine. Wait a minute. That's not a monkey. That looks like a tiger. Run! Push aside these vines and we'll hide inside this cave. Duck your head. Flap, flap, flap. And watch out for the bats. I don't know about you, but those shadows are making me a little nervous. In fact, one of those shadows looks like a tiger! How did he get here? Hurry, climb that ladder, and we'll make our escape. Ah, sunshine. Doesn't that feel good? Uh-oh, snakes. Hundreds of them. If we're very quiet, we can tiptoe past. Blue snakes, green snakes, even a great big fuzzy snake that looks just like a tiger. Run! Yikes, he's gaining on us. Our only chance is to leap for that rope and swing across the canyon. Now let go. Whoop! We made it. Good thing we landed someplace soft. A bed of flowers, a pile of leaves, a giant orange and black pillow. No! We landed on top of a tiger. Now we're really in trouble. Quick, climb up this rock and slide down the hill. Bumpity, bumpity, bump, bump, bump. Yes, a boat. Hop on deck and raise the anchor. Full steam ahead, Captain. Safe at last. Say, I've never seen a sea captain with a tail before, have you? You don't think it could be a tiger? Not again. Jump overboard or we'll end up as lunch. Swim, swim, swim. Splash, splash, splash. I know you're tired, but don't slow down. Swim, swim, swim. Whew, we're in luck. There's an island and a chest. Open the lid. I bet we'll find a tiger. Oh, and he wants to eat us. Roar! Wait a minute. He doesn't want to eat us. He was only yawning. If we scratch his ears and rub his belly, maybe he'll go to sleep. Better yet, let's tell him a story. We'll start in the jungle, where the tall trees grow and the monkeys swing from vine to vine. Wait a minute, that's not a monkey. That looks like a crocodile. Oh no, not again. I'd like to encourage you all to take advantage of the nice spring weather we're having. So grab that sidewalk chalk and head outdoors and create your own sidewalk chalk art displays. Don't have sidewalk chalk? No problem. I'm going to teach you today how to make sidewalk chalk paint using some simple ingredients you probably already have at home. So let's get started. First, you're going to need cornstarch. You're going to need 2 cups of that, and I've pre-measured that. So I'm going to pour it in my bowl. All right, you're also going to need 2 cups of water. So you're going to mix equal parts of cornstarch and water. And then you're going to stir it around. Get all the lumps out. All right, now we're ready to pour our mixture into our muffin tin. So I'm going to use my measuring cup as a ladle, and I'm going to pour it in. I'm not going to fill it all the way to the top. So once you get that in, I'm going to add just a little more. We're going to add food coloring to make different colors. So we're going to have 6 different colors to play with. All right, now we're ready, and I have just some extra mixture. All right, so now slide this over here, and we're going to use green first. You're only going to put 1 or 2 drops in, because you don't want to stain the sidewalk or your driveway. And then we're going to do blue. And then red. And yellow. Okay, now we're going to mix the blue and the red, because when you mix blue and red, it makes purple. And now we're going to mix the red and the yellow, because when we mix red and yellow, we get orange. Even though the other one looks a little orangey, but it'll work. All right, now it's time to stir. I'm going to use popsicle sticks for that. So we've got a nice blue. We're going to mix that. Okay. Then we're going to do the same, just repeat. And they're not going to be as bright. They're going to be more pastel-like, but they will be nice colors to paint with. Now we've got our green and yellow. It fooled me because when I put it in, it looked a little orange, but it's yellow. And now we're going to make our orange. And we mixed what colors? Red and yellow. Good job. Okay. Now we have our sidewalk paint, and we're going to head outside and paint. I had so much fun today, boys and girls. I hope that you did too. And we hope to see you again soon. Bye.